Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can change the sticker that you have in the game. So for instance, you're going to go to collection, not career, and then as you can see under player cards you have these sprays. So I chose this for my pre-round spray, and what it's gonna do is when you press T on your keyboard while you play the game, it will spray this sticker. But for instance, you want something else like this one, good luck, have fun, you are just going to equip that, and this is the mid-round spray. You can let me just show owned only. For instance, you want this one, press equip, and lastly is the post round spray. For instance, you want this one, am I allowed to? And then press equip. But some sprays are not allowed mid round because they are too distracting. Let's see this one, okay. Nope. Just press equip, and then later on in the game just press T on your keyboard and press it on a wall or on the ground or on like a box, and it will spray the sticker on. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!